Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to show you how to connect your M5 or as we know fake Xiaomi Mi Watch with iOS. As you can see we have WearFite 2.0 in the background installed, and let's hit the screen record button and give it a try, see how it goes. Let's go ahead and open the app. As you can see the app is ready to use. After we connect it, we have 3 pages at the bottom. At the third page we will find device management, connection management, and here hit scan. As you can see I have the Z7 smartwatch connected, so we disconnect that first and see which smartwatch are here. As you can see we have different ones that are in the room, but we are looking for the M5 in the second place, as you can see right here. So as soon as you press the M5, it connects, it asks to pair, and you have to allow the M5 to display your phone notification, and now everything is ready to use. As you can see we have the connection sign in the watch and it says connected in the phone. So as you can see in the first page we have the WearFite name, we have the measurements, data, and steps in the middle of the page. Also we have here sleep, heart rate, blood pressure, and other things that we will see. This is the health weekly. You can see all the statistics for every option that is available in this app, starting from steps, heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, fatigue, sleep. All the data will be here in this app. So you can see now we have here sleep, the data for sleep. You can see we have day, week, and month here at the bottom. Next we have heart rate, same as before. We don't have any data yet, but you can see the data right here. Blood pressure as well. We have blood oxygen right here, the percentage of oxygen in the middle of the circle. We have fatigue, which we don't have any data right now, because we didn't use this watch at all. In the second page, as you can see, we have health punch, which uses the account, but we don't have any account right now. These are the personal information like gender, name, age, height, weight, step length, wear, target steps, distance, weight, etc, etc. You have to fill up these with your personal information, and be careful while you are using them. Fill up these personal information correctly. This is the shake photo option. We have find bracelet, connection management that we saw before. We have intelligent reminder, which we have here calls, SMS, alarm clock, send reminder, do not disturb, app notification, etc. We have raise the bright screen. We have measurements here, firmware updates, and basically this is it. What we can do in the WearFite 2.0 with the M5 or fake Xiaomi Mi Watch. I don't think we have anything else to see here or to test. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.